A tax trick I teach NFL players and you will use one day. Jedediah Collins' Money Vehicle Movement podcast, where we're making financial literacy current and a little cooler. This tax trick, every time I get to go in and teach an NFL team, the players always ask me, hey, money guy, how can I save more on taxes? Well, in Money Vehicle, we've been introduced to tax advantaged accounts that are only going to be taxed one time, unlike a brokerage account that gets taxed twice. These traditional accounts are going to be things like 401ks and IRAs. NFL players have access to a very good 401k plan through their Players Association. So that is the first move for them. But the question remains, how can I save more on taxes? This is where I get to introduce a concept called a backdoor Roth IRA. A lot of people look at it and say, well, Roth IRA, don't they exceed? Let me look it up. Yeah, don't they exceed the income limit to contribute to a Roth IRA? That's where the term backdoor Roth IRA comes in. So, what you're going to do as an NFL player or as somebody who is looking to save even a little bit more on taxes, not just today, but for the rest of their lives, you are going to set up that traditional IRA account. You're going to make your contributions, but they're going to be after tax dollars. Roth accounts require after tax. Traditional IRA, you're allowed to put pre tax dollars into and get that tax advantage today. That's not the advantage we're going for. We are going to put after tax, income tax already been taken out, dollars into our traditional IRA. Then we're going to open up a Roth IRA. I'm going to connect my traditional IRA to that backdoor Roth IRA and simply transfer the funds. I'm not going to invest or play with or do with anything of those contributions within my traditional IRA. I'm going to pass them directly after they settle into that Roth IRA through the quote unquote back door. Using this method, I get to respond and answer to the NFL player who asked, do you want to save taxes today or do you want to save taxes for the rest of your life? Now that they look at my 401k tax advantaged account, I get the tax deduction this year. As they move into taking $7,000 and putting it into a traditional and then backdooring it into a Roth IRA, they get an additional tax savings, not this year, but for every year those dollars are invested and grow earnings. The contributions are after tax, those earnings are going to be tax free. This is a neat tax loophole, tax trick, tax advantage if you speak the language of money, which is, of course, our mission here at Money Vehicle, not just for you and I, but even some professional athletes as well. Backdoor Roth IRA, if you get into a year where you have a high income and you still want to take advantage of some of those Roth savings on taxes for the rest of your life, the backdoor Roth IRA is going to be a really neat step in action for you to take. We'll see you next time.